What's good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Digital D in the building. Coming to you guys with another lit video. Today, this video is going to be kind of different. So, unfortunately, we had a little bump in the road with the drone, and we're going to be doing a little repair today on the drone. So, today we're going to be repairing the axis hinge. I got the part in the other day. Yeah, axis hinge. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly where we're gonna be operating. All right. So here is where we're gonna be operating. So today, the tools we're gonna need a T5 drill bit. You don't necessarily need the drill. You can use something like this. Today I'm going to be using the drill. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into it. Make sure you guys hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and we're going up all 2024. And yeah, love you guys. Let's get straight to it. So step one, got my star bit. Just take a look around. Take my time with it. This thing is kind of fragile, so you just kind of want to take your time. Alright, so just kind of move it out the way. You guys see it's kind of broken in the inside. Remove these three screws. So, yeah. Here is the part we're going to be using. Axis hinge. Alright. Third step. We're going to remove this broken piece that's on the inside. And that's why I have this. I kind of clipped it in with the flathead so I can pry out all of the broken pieces. Take your time with it, guys. I'm just trying to yank it out with my fingers. It worked. Alrighty. So here we go. It's just the broken part. We're also gonna switch out these wings, but this for a different video. I like carbon fiber wings, so I ordered some new carbon fiber wings. So yeah, broken pieces, new piece. Just do a side-by-side comparison. Yep, guys, slight repair, very easy so far. Haven't had any mistakes or any hiccups, so this can all be done at home. Yep, let's get to it. Let's finish up the job. All right, so we're gonna push this wire right here to the back a little bit, to the rear, so we can get a firm. But you take your time. just like that. So now we're gonna put these screws back in. One man army, guys. So I'm just gonna stick this in there. I'm gonna kind of put this down a little bit. First screw. Clean up. All right, so the next step is going to be us clicking this back on, like just getting it back on. I'm gonna apply these 2 screws. To fit everything back together. Now for the test. All right, that's pretty firm and tight. Now let's fire it up. See if she still can fly. Successful job, guys. Everything's looking nice and neat, nice and tight. I could get back to flying, get back to my gigs. Was only down for about 1 day. Easy job, easy fix. Like I said, I got some carbon fiber wings coming in, and that also happened on impact while I was flying. So yeah, gonna do another video on that. Let's go. It's your boy Digital D, and you are rocking with Team Digital. Make sure you guys hit the like, hit the subscribe button so you guys can join Team Digital. And we are doing a drone giveaway. All links are in the bio. To enter the drone giveaway, you can either purchase tickets, raffle tickets, or you can either purchase one item from the merch Team Digital shop and link in the bio. So I'm gonna have everything linked in the bio. Make sure you guys hit the like, hit the subscribe button. That's how I'll know that you're a part of the team. I'm gonna work on getting a Discord chat, free chat for everybody, so we can, have community. And yeah, this is a great video. I appreciate you guys and all the support. I just want to thank you guys. I love you guys. Continue to keep doing you guys' thing. Make sure you guys enter that giveaway. I'm gonna give away a drone. There's 3 spots. I'm gonna give away some merch, and I'm gonna give away some cash. So if you hit the link in the bios, you'll see everything that we'll be giving away, and it's easy to enter. So it's your boy Digital D, and I'm here, and we just had another lit video. So I'm clocking out, and I'll see you guys on another one.